Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to start by opening Devices Settings. Now tap on More Networks and Connections. Following that, select Connection Preferences and tap on Printing. Then tap on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this blue switcher. Then click on the back button and select Add Service. From here, install the best one for you, and when it's ready, select the back button twice. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!